Hi friends, welcome back to Ice Pony Videos. The hot summer is coming and we all need a refreshing drink to enjoy. So we are making, drumroll, Brazilian lemonade. This is a fresh drink to share with friends at the pool. Let's see what our ingredients are. To make this Brazilian lemonade, you will need 4 cups of water, 3 limes cut in half and peeled, 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Here we have my sweet Vitamix mixer. I love this because it has so many settings. Our first step is to mix all the ingredients into this. I'm going to cover this up and run it in the Vitamix mixer for about 20 seconds. Now we need to strain all of this. Now I'm going to add another 1 cup of water into the strainer and let it strain a little more. Serve this drink with a cup of ice and decorate it with some lime and you're ready for pool day. This is one of the most refreshing drinks I've ever had in my life. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's try this. This is so sweet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.